Hey everyone, so we're going to do a 16 by 20 flip cups. I haven't done one in a while. Been doing a lot of dirty pours. So I want to use up some paints. I have a lot of pinks and I'll throw some purple and turquoise in with it. So we're going to start with 4 cups. Bring them back here so I can spray them. Spray them with the WD-40. I'm not going to rub it in. And we're going to start with white. I'm making a mess today. That's okay. I like messes. All right. Let's mix it up. We're going to use some purple metallic. Probably need more than that. Okay. We're not going to see this one again. And I'm going to follow that with I should put a little blue in there. Let's try some cyan on top of that. This is Lucas paint. Oh, and the last video, and I'm really sorry guys, I forgot to tell you or show you, these are the paints that I've been buying. They're Creative Inspirations. I have 5 more of these jugs coming. I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. I have 9 right now. I'm trying to get a lot of different colors so I can mix them all up and do a complete pour with them. So this is going to be fun to experiment with that paint, because if you get them on sale, and you have to buy 4, if you get them on sale, these are $14.99. I've been using the black. It's very thick. If you're going to order them, you may want to order the pumps. I have not ordered the pumps, and I probably should, but I have not, and I'm going to see how hard it is to get out of the jugs. In the beginning, it won't be bad, but when you get to the bottom, yeah. But I'm hoping that tipping them upside down will release some of that paint. It's very thick though, I don't know. So I'm using up this mix. This was a crimson red shot inside of a magenta. So I want to use this up. I used it on the last video. Okay. So I'm going to follow that with just a touch of white, just to break it up a smidge, because we already have purple and blue in there. So I want to go with, let's see, what's this one? This is a bright magenta. I had this one out too to use today, and I didn't use it, so we are now I just love emptying paint containers. It means I get to make more. Alright. Now we need some purple. This one is Premier paint from AC Moore. Now I want to put in some Grumbacher Permanent Light Blue, because I'm going to hit it with some turquoise next. feel like I'm going to be kind of American flaggy without any blue in there, so we'll see. I have some more purple here. This one, of course I didn't write it down, so I have to start and see what it is. Oh, this is a mix that I made. This is a periwinkle color. I was gonna do some flowers with this, but it's been sitting over a week, so I want to use it up. I'm getting better about that. The only ones that I've been letting sit is like the yellows and the oranges. This is probably going to be an ugly pour. Or flip cup. We'll see. Okay. Where's my turquoise? Let's do a phthalo turquoise. Oh, it's going to be too green, I think. I might have just made a boo-boo. See if we can cover it up with some manganese blue. Then I have to get some more pink in here. Try some phthalo violet. This is also a Grumbacher color. I'm not a fan of red, like this color, reddish purpley colors. I love magenta, but this is not a magenta when it dries. Okay, I'll put a little black in there. It won't show up probably. Either that or it will be very bold. And I need, I look at all the colors, I'm like, I don't want to use that color. Let's try a rose metallic. These are pretty full, so I think we might be all right. And I know I'm going to use all these cups, so I won't have to save one for a musical flip cup. I hope you guys like those musical flip cups. They're just quick and easy. I don't have to talk to you, and not that I don't mind talking to you. It's just I can paint and get it done. All right, so now here comes the messy part, because I'm going to just give them one little swirl, and then I'm going to flip it. And yes, it's going to be messy. And the black's showing up as a gray. Pretty, pretty. Purple's there. Definitely there and there and there. I'm going to turn the cup. That pink and black is so pretty together. Okay, we're going to start tipping or flipping. There's that phthalo green turquoise. It's like, remember putting me in there? Here I am. Okay. I'll give it a quick torch before I start moving it. Pop some of those air bubbles so they won't be so bad. Alright, we have a lot of blue here, so I'm going to get rid of that first. Come right down to this corner, back to the middle. Some of these paints are a little thin, so they're going to go quick. The metallic purple's there. The cells are so small. What do I want? I love that black coming in. This is going to dry very dark. It's so funny. I watch the videos and I'll go look at the painting. I'm like, it doesn't look anything like the video. And that's why I post the dried versions on my Facebook page, so you can see them. There's still a lot of paint on there. I don't know why I want that black as a focal point, but it's got some turquoise coming up through it, which makes it interesting. Oh yeah, there's still a ton of paint on here. I could have gotten away with 3 cups. You just never know. I don't like that corner so well. I could do this all night. Tip, tip, tip. Definitely wasted a lot of the paint. Alright. So since that's metallic, I'm not going to worry about it because it's probably going to sink. And this is all going to dry dark on the edges here. So I think I'm going to leave it alone and just give it a good torch. So I'm kind of hoping that this will be dry before I post it on YouTube, so I can use it as a thumbnail. I've been doing that on some of them. So today is Tuesday. You probably won't see this till Saturday. And maybe not even Saturday, because I think I should do a green one for St. Patrick's Day. Yes, the metallics are sinking very slowly. You can already see here, that wasn't there a little bit ago. And some of the pink's coming up. So that's going to be it for that one. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below and hit the little notification bell next to it so you'll know when I upload my next video. Click like and share. Leave a comment. And join me on Facebook at Christina Welch Art. And you'll get to see the dried pictures, paintings before I post them anywhere else. So let me give you a little peek. You can see that turquoise coming up through the black. And some interesting stuff going on in the corner. The metallic is sinking and the colors are coming up. Not much going on this side. So we'll see how she dries. But it's a good way to use up your leftover paints when you're ready to pretty much chuck them because they've been sitting. So that's what we did. So that's it for this one, guys. And I will see you on the next one. Bye now.